So if you have Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply disable unwanted tracking by Google Play Store on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. Now, the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to general. Then you have to simply scroll down right here. App install optimization. Send data to Google about which part of an app you use, making apps faster to install, open, and run every one on Play. What you need to do is to simply disable this button. With that, Google will not be able to collect data, apps that you use on your Android phone and send it to developer. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.